Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bio to your VSCO. So first of all you need to open the VSCO app and then you want to go from the main screen to your profile. Then while you are in your profile, just click edit, which is right here. And here you can change your profile name, title, description, external links, first name, last name, and the biography is the description. So you want to write something here. So I'm going to write go visit hard reset.info. And once you put something in your, oh, there's a mistake. Once you put something in your biography, you just want to click this icon right here to apply the changes. And voila, you have just added your biography to your VSCO account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!